If you have a 2001 Ford Focus, your fuel door acts like this. Has a broken clip on it. And I'm going to show you how to replace it. First off, you're going to need to jack the car up into the air. You want to remove the tire first. Second, you're going to want to take this liner out on the inside of the wheel well. Little tip. These little clips that go right there, grab them with a pair of channel locks. Just yank them right out of there. And these two clips right here, do the same. Grab them throughout the whole thing and yank it out. While you're trying to get this out, there is 10 little things that hold it on. There's 3 on this side of the fender, tucked up underneath there. They're a little hard to get to. You can't really get them with the pliers. You have to use a screwdriver, but you can pop them out of there. Then this whole thing just pulls right out. Next, you need to loosen this up and take it completely out. I had to use the channel locks because mine was rusted on there. Yours may not be. But you want to take that out. And then take that bolt out too. Next, we're going to take this bolt, this screw out, and that screw out. Screw the screw completely out, and then use a flathead screwdriver to pry on that and get that out of there. Same with the other one. Okay, once you get them out, this will be able to come out. This tube, now that you loosened it, you can move it around and get the rubber piece unstuck from it. You're gonna have to reach from up inside the fender well and push up on here and right here from the back side. It will pop the clips off of it and it'll pull right out. When you reinstall the new one, you want to make sure you remember to put that hose back in. And just like that, you got a perfectly working fuel door. Solid, fully open, locked back. Just like that, you got a nice fuel door. So just put your car back together and you're good to go. Have a nice day.